everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this tutorial, we will be making an easy bead woven inspired design using Soft Flex wire in the beautiful purple amethyst. And I will leave a link down below in the description for the Soft Flex wire. It comes in so many different colors, which makes it super easy to match in your design. We will just need some size 11 seed beads. I am just using a Czech Glass brand, super pretty and perfect for the season. And then I'm using these oval beads in a pink and purple. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link for all other tutorials and bracelet inspiration. Let's start creating. So you do need a lot of soft flex for this project. We're going to need about 24 inches. So I know this is kind of like an intricate design when you first look at it, but it's super beginner friendly. These make wonderful gifts and endless possibilities, and it just changes the look of the design depending on the beads that you use. So to start, we're just going to need one of our 2x2s. And we're just going to slide it on just like we would a bead. On the opposite side of soft flex, we're just going to pass back through. This is going to create like a little crisscross. I like to hold my ends. We want to make sure that that 2x2 goes to the very bottom of our soft flex, and we want it in the middle. It's going to create like a little connection point or a circle. And we need this for our design, and this is where we're going to connect our clasp. So it's up to you how big or small you would like your connection point to be, as long as it's in the middle of the soft flex wire. We're just going to take our pliers and flatten our 2x2. Normally, I will round it for a more professional finish. It makes it look like a little bead, but just because of the placements of the seed beads in this design, you can just flatten it. So you're just going to use that front jaw of your plier. And by doing this little step here, it also acts as a little beadstalk. So we're going to have our two sides of wire. And what I love about the soft flex wire as well is it acts as a needle. So you don't just pick up these little tiny seed beads with your fingers. Get 9 seed beads. We're just going to let them slide down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And this is a very repetitive design. So once you have the start of it, you're just going to be doing the same technique with these little barrel beads or ovals for the rest of the projects. 9 seed beads, and we're just going to let them slide down on our soft flex. We're going to add in one of our barrel beads, and it doesn't matter which side you add it to. And these are kind of a pastel color, which is super nice. So your soft flex wire is going to show in your design. And that's one of the other things I love about soft flexers. But on the lighter color beads, you can see your wire through. So it really just adds to the design. So on the opposite side, we're just going to pass back through our bead. So as long as your bead will fit through 2 soft flex wires, you can use it for this project. Softflexcompany.com has some 7mm Czech Glass fire polish that will work. So I'll leave a link down below in the description for that. And then you're just going to pull. And it might look a little messy at first, but it's going to create like your little connection point. And when you add a few more on, as you have about 4 or 5 beads on, it starts to straighten out. I'm going to add on 5 seed beads. And I always like to add on an odd amount. It just kind of makes it a little bit easier when you do your Christmas. So we have our 5 seed beads. And you can always mix and match your seed beads if you want to. We're just going to add on one of our little oval beads. And then we're going to crisscross and give it a pull. So you can see how it's starting to curve. Make a little adjustment or two. And you can see how the seed beads are doing like a little oval and it's stacking them together. So we're just going to keep adding on beads. So we're just adding 5 seed beads to each side of our soft flex and then doing the crisscross with the ovals. And you can see our beautiful design. So it really does look like a bead woven design. And essentially you are kind of doing a form of right angle weave or ladder stitch. So just kind of a fun project to make. And you can also do this as an anklet or a necklace. So super fun. So we're just going to keep doing the same thing until we reach the end of our beads. We've added on most of our beads and you can kind of tell it's a little curving still, but it will straighten out when you wear it. So sparkly. And if you wanted to make this kind of into like a little charm bracelet, each little connection point, since we have the spacing of 5 seed beads, you can add a jump ring and add like a little tassel or a charm. So super fun way to personalize this design. So we're almost at the end. We have our 5 seed beads. We're just going to add on our last oval and crisscross. And if you ever make this a little too small, we can always attach jump rings at the end to extend the length of your project. So now we're at the end. We're just going to add on our 9 seed beads on each side. Once you have your last little oval bead, we're just going to add 9 seed beads on each side. And we do have a lot of soft flex left over, so we're going to save that for another project. We're just going to bring in our 2x2. Slide it on one side like we would a bead. We're going to do something a little different on this one. We're going to do our crisscross and pull. Soft flex 2x2s, it will pass through 3 of the medium soft flex wires. So we already have 2. So we're just going to grab one side of our soft flex and pass back through. And sometimes it's going to be a little tricky. You can tell how the beads kind of loosened, but we will make our adjustments in just a moment. So we want our 2x2 resting against our seed beads. And we want to make sure that our loop size is similar. It doesn't have to be perfect as the one we started. We're just going to take our pliers and just flatten our 2x2. Just be careful not to smash any of the beads. You could break them, the little seed beads. We're just going to take our pliers and trim our extra soft flex. So we have our beautiful bracelet. Now we're just going to attach our clasp. So we'll just need some jump rings and a clasp of your choice. I am using a lobster claw. If you had a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, you can always attach it one on each side. So we're just going to attach our 6mm jump ring to our lobster claw and give it a close. You should hear a little click when it's secure. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to open up our jump ring, add it to our soft flex, and close. I wanted to add this little butterfly charm to my design, and it's just on a head pin. And make sure that the loop is closed. And I just made this with a one-step looper tool. We're going to take another jump ring and attach it to the end jump ring and give it a close. Just to add another little embellishment to our beautiful bracelet. And we have our bead woven inspired bracelet on soft flex wire in purple amethyst with our adorable little butterfly charm. That is double-sided, so that just kind of adds to the design. You'll get a butterfly on each side with the beautiful two-toned oval beads. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow, and I'll leave links down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist for all other bracelet inspiration. Have an awesome day.